The crop leaves the farmer's field. But what happens before it reaches the factory? It starts long before harvest, with crop planning, farmer details, and field information. Then come regular field visits, checking crops, recording progress, and staying connected with farmers. Because one missed update in the field can affect everything that comes next. Then comes harvest. And suddenly, timing becomes everything. Procurement teams need to know what is coming, how much is coming, and when it will arrive. From the farm, the produce moves to procurement, transportation, and finally the factory. Inside the factory, inventory, production, and movement of goods all need to stay coordinated. Farmer data, field operations, procurement, inventory, and finance. Every step is connected. From farmer to factory, manage the entire journey with Bluechip solutions. Connect your contract farming ERP operations and grow with confidence.